Hello, hello, hi, folks. Welcome. Happy Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. In hopes that you squeezed more out of your day than the day squeezed out of you. I am Sean Azimi with SideGigSean.com, where I help you look, start, and grow your side business. Welcome, Jenny. Hello. Hey, I was on time at least. That's decent. And a little late, but still on time. Yes. What is going on, Kimberly? How are you? Welcome. I love the moon. I love that. That is so cool. What's happening? So, if you are new to my lives, welcome. If you are a vet, well, great to see you again. Andrea, how are you? We got a full gang of folks tonight. You guys are going to like this. It'll be a quick one, short one, but you'll like it. So, if you are a vet to my lives, Moonlee, really? That's really cool. I love that. That's really cool. So if you're new to my lives, then you wouldn't know this, but if you're a vet, you know that I have, I could say I have two least favorite words that I do my best not to use them. Like at any time. I really do my best not to use these two words. And one of them is just. I don't like the word just. Whenever you say just, it's like it lowers its value in a way. You know, it drops its importance. You know, I just called. I know there's a song I just called. You know, I just called. It's just like so insignificant. But that's not what we're talking about tonight. That's cool. So, Andrea, I saw that. That's pretty cool. So I'm not talking about just tonight. I have talked about it before, but my second least favorite word is but. Ugh. How many can agree with me? You hear like something great, right, going, and then you almost hear it before they even say it, right? But there's that but, right? Be money, yo. And then there's that but, right? Yeah, but Sean, yeah. So, that but is just like, you know. And whenever, like, let's say you're in a sales environment and somebody says, well, you know, your products are too expensive, or your sign-up fee is just this, or you know, it just, I don't know. Well, I don't want to go with you, if you will, right? And you immediately want to say, well, that's great, but, you know, but these ingredients, but, you know, so most people use yes, but, right? And oh man, anything after but, I was just gonna say that you took the words literally out of my mouth. It's negated, right? Anything after but is negated. So what do you use instead of but? And I've been searching to use another word instead of but at certain cases. And I'm glad that I ran into this coaching by Vin, and he recommends to go yes, not yes, yes, but instead of yes, but, no matter how negative the statement is, go with yes and. Yes and. Now you may think to yourself, well, that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense, you know, when they say, well, your products are too expensive. You don't want to say yes and what, you know? So check this out. So if you say yes, but, you already have negated the statement. Hey, Pony, how are you? Welcome. Good to see you. So you've already done that. But if you say yes and, for example, they say, you know what, these products are too expensive. And you can say, instead of yes, but, yes, but, you can say yes and it's because we use premium ingredients. And yes, it's because, yes, and it's because we use premium ingredients. I don't want to go with you. And you can say, yes, but you know what? I can do this, I can do that, but yes, yes, but, right? You can say, when they say, I don't want to go with you, you can say, yes, and I like to know why, right? How about yes, however? However is another twist to the but. So it doesn't give them like the positive vibe, right? So when I say when I say yes and I like to know why, or versus yes, however, I can still, right? So you're still throwing the me, you're throwing the negation still, or you're being defensive almost with however, right? However, you're right. However, it's almost a polite way of saying but, right? But when you say yes and, right, there is no but to it. Yes and we use premium ingredients. I don't want to go with you. Yes, and I'd like to know why. Because when you use the word but or however, you've got to become defensive right afterwards, right? There's nothing else you can use. You can say, yeah, you're not going to go with me. However, who else are you going to go with? However, I can still do this for you. However, this is a better company. So you're constantly getting in that defensive mode, right? But when I say and, it's like I am sitting next to them. I'm not in front of them. It's like I'm sitting right next to them. I'm becoming more of a friend, right? And I want to know why. I want to know the reasoning, or I want to explain the reasoning. Like, for example, in my company, couple of our products are not cheap. They're not cheap. I mean, I've said it like a gazillion times, right? BRB, that's funny. They're not cheap, but I mean, if you can compare it with other stuff outside, at Costco, at the other stores, our products are not cheap, and it's because we use premium ingredients, and it's because it translates into better results, right? And I tell people that already. When people say this is expensive, I say yes, and it's because we use premium ingredients. I did say but. Good catch, Jenny. Good catch. I tried to redirect that sentence and bring it back. Good job. Wow, at 12:30 a.m., still sharp. I love it. So yeah, I did say that, but I caught myself. Good job. So that's very good. I love that. So yeah, I have said that, and I say that all the time. I say, it's not. You're right. It's not. It's not cheap. You're right. And I used to say but now that I've learned like about the ingredients and whatnot, I mean, I'm talking about this one, particular product, if you would. I'm really comfortable saying and it kind of naturally kind of flows, right? Samir, namaste. So it kind of flows, right? And it's just because, and I threw just, right? I got to eliminate just. And it's because we use premium ingredients, right? So my two least favorite words, maybe you agree with me on both or just one or none, just and but. If I had to pick one over the other, it'd be but. I just, I don't know about you, but when you hear the word but, it's like, oh, you already know it's coming. You know what I mean? It's like you already know. You know it's coming. So I don't know. I just don't, it's not my favorite word. So now that I can replace it with yes and, I love it. I love it. I got to catch myself more and use yes and. Yes and it's because. Yes and I like to know why. Yes and, you know. And with that, I hope you got some love, some inspiration, some value from this. I appreciate you guys. Drop your thoughts, your comments, your feedback below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how I want to know, if you can get creative, how you would use yes and instead of a yes but in a situation. Get creative, drop your answer, well, not really an answer, but drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let this feed grow. And yeah, if you feel like this was worthy of sharing, do what you got to do. Spread the love, tag a couple people, you know. And with that, I am Sean Zimi with SideGigSean.com, where I help you look, start, and grow your side business. Signing off until tomorrow when we do it all over again. Much love.